And if you notice that your pool water level is high every week, or that your in-deck autofill is running constantly, chances are the float inside the autofill has failed. I'll show you how to change that out and fix this problem. So there are several things to look for in an in-deck autofill for a failure. One is really high water in your pool. That's a good indicator that the autofill is not turning off when it's supposed to. One of the symptoms is you're going to hear the autofill running even when the pool water level is fine or high. And the first thing you want to do is locate the valve that controls the autofill and turn it off. Usually it's located directly across from the autofill. It could also be located in the equipment area. I'm going to turn this off. If you can't find this, you may have to turn the water off to the main of the house. You can find that in the street and sometimes in the customer's garage. Okay, this particular autofill is located right outside the deck, off to the side. I'm going to get the old valve off. You can see that it's full of water in here because it's failed. And so over time these valves will fail, either the plastic part or the part that adjusts the flow. Go ahead and remove the old one once you turn the water off. And I'll be using the Float Tec float valve control to replace the valve here at this account. And the really nice thing about the Float Tec float valve is this adjustable knob here. This will control the level of the water in the pool when you set up the float. And they have two versions of the float. One is plastic and one is brass. And both are 3/8 of an inch threaded. And the valve should be on there hand tight. If you need to use a wrench, you can use a wrench to loosen it up. This should easily thread right out. And you also want to make sure you have the right replacement float. This one here is 3/8 threaded. They also make a 1/2 inch threaded one, which is not quite as common as a 3/8 inch. So you want to apply some Teflon tape to the threaded part. I'm going to go ahead and thread it in. And this adjustment knob makes the Float Tec valve very easy to adjust. You turn it clockwise to lower the water level in the pool. And you turn it counterclockwise to raise the water level in the pool. So I have the adjustment knob on top here at this account. I can easily adjust the water level here. So once the water level in this account drops, I'll be able to fine tune it with this adjustment knob on top. So the water level here is a bit high, but you can see that I can adjust it here by moving it counterclockwise. You see the float raising up. And then if I turn it clockwise, you'll see the float drop down in here. This is how you adjust the water level. It's very easy. Once you have it installed, you can go ahead and turn the water back on. And so that's a quick look at replacing your in-deck autofill with the Float Tec float valve when your float fails. I really like this adjustable knob on top. It makes it very easy to adjust the water level in the pool. InyoPools.com is a proud sponsor of Swimming Pool Tips and have been helping pool owners find the right pool parts since 2001. With over 50,000 pool parts in stock, order online today and have your parts delivered right to your door.